This is how much money I made with crypto last month. I wasn't just lucky, it's the power of creating coins myself, not just trading them. I'm going to show you how to take a very small amount, maybe something like $100, and then multiply that in a matter of minutes. You might ask yourself, what's the difference to all the other methods for making money? Contrary to the others, this method really works, and you can even make money with it over and over again because it's repeatable every day, multiple times per day. Hang on, I'll show you exactly how to do it. I know how it feels to be chasing pump and dump schemes or getting wrecked with sketchy meme coin projects. I've had the same struggle as you, brother. But only until I realized one thing. The real money in the crypto space is made by the people who are able to create assets and then sell them to enough people. And trust me, more than enough people are looking for possibilities to make profits all the time. We are going to take advantage of that from now on. Instead of standing on the sideline, we are going to join in. I regret not having known about this method before because since I use this method, my life has truly changed. The only reason I didn't start before was that I thought you'd need advanced coding skills or a big following in order to be able to create your own meme coins and make money with that. The secret truth is that you don't need any of that anymore. I'm going to prove it to you right now by creating a Solana meme coin and making a 3 or even 4x profit in just a few minutes. I know what you might think. We can just launch a coin on pump.fun and then take our profits. But hold on, brother. There are dozens of new coins being published on pump.fun every second. Chances of your coin getting attention on that platform are essentially zero. You could play the lottery with a higher success rate. The oversaturation due to lack of technical barrier on platforms like pump.fun just kills your visibility. But don't worry, I found a solution for that problem too. There's another token launchpad which has much less tokens published there every minute, but the visibility there is much higher. I am talking about Raydium. It's a platform where serious capital operates, plus you don't compete with the thousands of low-effort meme coins on there. That results in fewer competitors and a much higher profit potential. What's great is that I found a tool which makes creating meme coins so easy and reliable as I haven't seen it anywhere else before. The tool I am talking about is CoinCraft.fun. It's the website I use to create Solana tokens by just filling out a simple form in a few clicks. I'm really not a tech guy, and even I can be a coin dev now. I created a token hundreds of times now with CoinCraft, and can confirm that it worked like a charm every single time. What is the first thing that will jump in the eyes of potential buyers? You're right. It's the token logo. You need something that's currently popular or is an evergreen that's popular all the time. What I like to do is look for something that's currently trending on TikTok and X. Today, I'll be creating an Agartha coin since I have that meme all over my timeline at the moment. The best thing is that there already is a pretty successful coin called Agartha on pump.fun, so we can just copy our token image and all other token info from there and use it for our new token. The good thing about that strategy is that people might think our coin is actually the other, already successful one and buy in. Let's dive straight into the process. Open Canva with a 128 by 128 pixel custom size. Then paste your token image and pull the corners to resize it to fit the canvas. Just a few clicks, you see how easy that is. When you're done, download the logo. Head back into the main page on CoinCraft.fun and connect your Phantom wallet or whatever Solana wallet you are using. A standard permission request will appear. Confirm it to connect your wallet. Then click Create New Token. Now we input the token specifics. As I said, I'll just call mine Agartha. The token symbol will have the same name. I'll leave the description empty, just like the original coin did. Upload your logo and confirm, then move on by clicking Next. The tokenomics are already pre-configured with the best settings. You are free to change them, of course, but I advise you to just leave these settings untouched, since you won't do anything wrong with that. Then move on to the next step. This next screen is optional for setting websites or creator links, but it also costs another 0.1 Sol. You can do that if you want, but mostly I just skip this step to save the funds. We won't add any social links, since the original coin doesn't have any too. What's way more important than social links is what's coming in the next step. Attention, guys, this is by far the most important part of the process. These configurations make the difference between a failed and a successful launch. I hardly suggest that you keep all three settings enabled. Experienced buyers will immediately notice if the creator is able to freeze trading, mint unlimited supply, or alter the contract at his own will. This is why it's so important to keep these settings enabled, since they make sure the buyers trust your project. Most people keep asking me in the comments if it's really necessary to enable these settings. And trust me, yes you do. So we'll enable everything and then click Launch Your Token. Approve that final transaction in your wallet and then wait a second. After a short amount of time, your new token is officially live. You can instantly look at all related tools and check that it's live on the blockchain, including Solscan or the Solana Explorer. Congratulations, brother! Our Agartha coin is now live on Solana. At this point, we're not able to make any money from our coin yet, but we'll change that immediately by setting up a liquidity pool. If there's no liquidity pool for your token, that means no one can buy or sell your token yet. Head back over to CoinCraft and click the button, Create Liquidity. This will take us to Raydium. Then, link your wallet to Raydium. Set your new Agartha coin as the primary asset. To do so, copy your token address from CoinCraft and paste it here. We're putting an amount of 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool, which is best practice for meme coin liquidity pools. Now, add the trading pair, which is Solana. Then we need to select an amount of SOL. You can choose an amount you want and are able to afford. I'll go with only 0.5 SOL this time, which should be good. But if you want to set more, feel free to do so. Just ensure you leave 0.2 SOL in your wallet for the liquidity pool creation fee on Raydium. Choose 2% as your fee tier. I noticed that this created the best results over time. Now be excited because it's our moment of truth. Hit Initialize Liquidity Pool, then approve the final transaction in your wallet, and after a short period of time, your coin can officially be traded. Big news, our liquidity pool is now active. To monitor the token's performance, we need a chart that we can check. To find it, open DexScreener, select a random token on there, and then just swap the token address part in the URL with your new Agartha token ID. Hit enter and you'll see your real-time chart. Now, we will just observe and wait what happens. You'll for sure see some transactions that already took place. No need to panic, even if there's sell transactions visible. Movement in any direction helps us, no matter if buy or sell, as these build trading volume. More trading volume looks trustworthy to buyers, which is good for us. Now, we just got to stay patient and keep checking the chart until buyers jump in. Some minutes have passed now, and I'm still waiting for a buyer. Some more bot buys have come in, which is a good thing. Wait, what is that? What a beautiful candle. You just saw it live, guys. Our first bigger buyer jumped in. A nice one, Sol purchase. That's a good push for our market cap. The good thing about token launches is that we are profiting here off Solana whales, who throw in some Sol and new projects here and there, and make profits by being in them early on. We'll take advantage of this now. Guys, I'm rubbing my hands already. My fingers want to click that Remove Liquidity button now, really bad. I'll just go ahead and do it now. Open Raydium's Portfolio tab now. Quickly click the minus icon on your liquidity position. Max the slider to 100% to remove the full possible liquidity. Then confirm the Remove Liquidity transaction. Now go on, brother. Check your wallet. I just secured a really solid 2x return on my initial investment in just a few minutes. If I waited a bit longer, that would probably have even been more, but I went down the safe route today. I freaking love this strategy because it works for me all the time. What's great is that I can repeat it every single day, even multiple times per day. Guys, don't sleep on this. I don't want to keep this life-changing knowledge secret to you guys. The process is easy and straightforward, but if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Final disclaimer. This video is purely for educational and entertainment purposes, illustrating decentralized finance mechanics. I have no direct affiliation with Raydium, DexScreener, Photon, or CoinCraft.fun. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel, leave a like and a comment, and check out the other videos on my channel. Thank you so much for watching. That means a lot to me. I appreciate you all, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.